In this section, we'll explore a type of widget known as the layout element, which you can find in the Widgets panel. But before we get into that, let's talk about widgets in general. Widgets are pre-designed elements that you can add to your site to enhance its design or add functionality. On the screen, you'll see a variety of widgets on the left, including a button, an icon, a text block, a contact form, and even a map widget. On the right, we have our two layout element widgets. Head over to the Widgets panel and scroll halfway down. You'll find a category labeled Layout Element. This is a specific category because these layout elements share a common property. They let you structure your website and contain other elements within them, unlike basic widgets. This flexibility not only helps us create more intricate and complex designs, but also makes it easier to build responsive ones. These containers, or wrappers, enable you to group and organize various widgets and even other layout elements inside them. Think of it like this: the widgets are like the candies, things like photo galleries and accordions. The layout elements are the wrappers, like columns or grids, that contain the candies inside them. And this ability to contain other widgets and even layout elements is what lets us create intricate and complex designs. Later in the course, we'll look at how widgets behave depending on the type of layout element they're placed in. But to understand how widgets behave inside different layout elements, we first need to understand the relationships between widgets and their containers.